Hi there, I'm Wilson. I'm Space Dog, work for Jangor, the Galaxian. Yep, that's not my hand. That's Jangor. I love Jangor. Yes, anyway, I'm preparing for space drive now. Hold tight. Here we go. Warp factor 9, I believe. That's close to light. Yep. Oh no, space snakes. I do hate robot space snakes. You have to give them a really scary look, like this. Of course he can't hear me. I'm using telepathy and, ouch! Telepathy doesn't always work on a robot space snake. So, you have to show him your weapon. I'll do it. Always does it. I'm just visiting this strange planet. Looks like a nice place, but actually it's going to be quite a bumpy ride. Hold tight, here we go. Oh, I'm just going to carry out my orders. I love you. And, well, here we go. I suppose I better press this button here. It's not my hand. This ought to be fun. Love my job. Yep. Well, you know, I suppose I could feel guilty, but I'm just a space dog, and I. Bye.